When buying a chicken for roasting, you need to first decide whether you want a roaster or a fryer chicken. Roaster chickens are older than fryer chickens, which means they generally have more flavor and fat. The extra fat helps to baste the meat and protect the flesh from drying out during roasting. Often labeled as roasters, these chickens generally weigh between 5 and 8 pounds and will serve approximately 4 to 6 people. Because roaster chickens live longer, they are more costly to raise and therefore more expensive for the consumer. Roasters can be harder to find, so you may need to order one in advance through your butcher. In comparison to roasters, fryers are a bit smaller and younger. They have less fat and flavor, but still make for good roasting chickens. Often labeled as fryers or broilers, these chickens are what you are most likely to find at the supermarket. Fryers generally weigh between 2.5 and 4.5 pounds and will serve approximately 2 to 4 people. No matter which chicken you choose to cook, for the best results, try to buy the highest quality chicken you can afford. When choosing a pan for roasting, the chicken should fit comfortably inside. Ideally, the pan should be heavy-bottomed. Whether it is enameled cast iron, or whether it is a large, oven-proof fry pan such as this one here. To prepare the chicken for roasting, make sure to pat it dry, especially if it has been thawed or rinsed. A wet bird will steam rather than roast, which will prevent the skin from properly crisping and browning during cooking. The next step is to rub the bird with a light coating of oil or room temperature butter. Additional fat will help to color and crisp up the skin faster. Note: at this point, if you are short on time, you can even butterfly the chicken. This will cut the cooking time by at least 15 minutes or so. Finally, and most importantly, the bird must be seasoned. Make sure to liberally season both the cavity and the outside of the bird with salt and pepper. Any desired aromatics such as thyme, garlic, or fresh lemon can be inserted into the cavity. However, salt and pepper is often enough, as it lets the true flavor of the chicken come through once roasted. Place the chicken into the pan breast side up. There's no need to oil the pan, as there will be plenty of fat that will render from the chicken as it cooks. The chicken is now ready for roasting.